Today, I want to talk to you about how you can create signatures in Gmail. And here we are in my Gmail account. And to create a signature, we go to Settings and see all settings. We stay in the General tab and we scroll down to almost the bottom where it says signature. As you can see, I have no signature in this account. So we are going to click the little plus where it says create new. And we give it a name. In this case, I call it PixelPia. I am going to create a signature I can use for this YouTube account. So the first thing I want in there is PixelPia, Internet for Beginners. And I want my name to be a link. So I highlight my name and I click this little symbol down here, which means link. And as you can see, edit link. This is the text to display, and I can link to a web address or an email address. In this case, I want to link it to youtube.com/PixelPia. I can test this link, so let's do that. And as you see, it goes straight to my website. So I click OK. And you can also see here that it shows the link here, and I can change that link or remove it. I also want to put a link to my email. So I write PixelPia email. I do the same thing. Highlight my name, click the link, but in this case, I chose email address. And here you see the email address. This is the absolute simplest form of a signature. Remember, for each signature you make, you have to scroll down to the bottom and say Save Changes. I maybe want more than one signature. So I go back to Settings, see all settings, the General tab, and I scroll down. So now you see on the signature here, I have one called PixelPia, and I can see how it looks here. Let's say that I want second one, and private, I call that. Create. Maybe this is my personal name and address. So if I now scroll down to the bottom, Save Changes. Let's go back to Compose. At the bottom here, I have the little pen, which shows that I can insert a signature. And I have now two signatures to choose between. That way I can choose the signatures that fits best depending on what type of email I am sending. Let me create one more. I call this one Fancy. And I will have my website first. So I highlight that. I click the link and I put in the URL. I want my email. I link that. But I want to make this a little fancier. So I want an image. Next to the links, I clicked the little insert image. And here I see on my drive, I can upload, or I can put a specific URL where I have a picture, but we're gonna choose one here. So it's uploading. This is very big. So if I click on the picture here, I can choose small, medium, large, or original size. It's original now. Large, you see, you start to see the picture. Medium, you can almost see me there. And small. And that is the one I want to use. Oops, I placed it in the wrong spot. So remove that and make sure I am underneath the text, and let's redo it. Save Changes. Compose. Go down to the little pen and add the fancy one now. As always, everybody, remember, never stop learning.